Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make guacamole. So for this guacamole, I used avocado, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, jalapeño, and salt. Start with cutting the jalapeno pepper and onions. I also used tomatoes, but that is optional. Remove the flesh of the avocado from its shell and use a fork to mash the avocado. Add lemon juice, the diced tomatoes and onions. And don't forget to add the cilantro and salt. Use a fork to mix it. I forgot to add the pepper, so I added it later on. And there you have your homemade guacamole. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.